subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Capitec Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 5. AmaZulu 2. I'm joined by the best chef. He's the maker.
It's you, my brother Gunja.
I'm the handy.
It's been too long time.
We pick the guy.
It's Spanish.
It's Spanish. Yeah. Kili pizza say.
You're one who lose still waiting.
Hey, Amara girl say.
Yeah. Season ifitile mcha.
Sure.
Yeah. As you saw, we win 5-2.
Yes.
Yeah. See, woman, is something mfetu. The injuries have to get on the kawata.
Yeah. Too much.
So you could see, we had like a missing piece in the squad.
Yes.
Tebza is back. Jersey number 4. Team athlete. Konalo scorer 5.
Free kick how we won. Rocket.
Nah, I don't know what to say anymore.
Rocket.
People by Lore, but or for the midfield of the season, Tebza le teng. I get to Mara. Politics aside, it's fine. My club is back.
Yes.
And please, man, let's give Cardoso a chance.
Yes, my friend.
Let's give Cardoso a chance.
Hey.
Also, another thing is the center back pairing. I'm not confident.
Are you happy?
There was a point in the first half where Lori recycled the ball. Mara, both of them, they were still tracking back. My question goes never when we recycled that ball. So I'm really worried about that. Maybe Cupido Akabasha. So Stivo Ronza Mfetu. Make no mistakes. Ronza is the best.
Yeah.
But Ogaronali this excitement Tenalumukawa.
Yeah.
Already mistakes.
What
it cost too much.
Yeah.
So also to beg Masandawana. Couple things stadium. Today ana guy ke mone ajile full set ya ke remember ya stadium umbotsore yena ka si stadium
why
Cardoso asale teng go Sundowns. My question is, are we here to support certain individuals or we are here for the club?
Yes, good question.
That's my question.
Good question, leader.
So Cardoso akatsamaya, which means we're not at stadium. Coach if I perform sharp, you don't come to the stadium. So Masandawana, are in stadium.
Yeah, sure.
Next game,
Sharp, are you back?
Sharp.
Yeah, I'm